Welcome to Stoic Mindset, the place where silence isn't empty and strength isn't loud. Here, we explore the power of self-respect, the depth of inner calm, and the kind of man who doesn't need to chase anyone to be valued. The world is noisy, opinions shout, emotions react, and people fight for attention every single day. But a rare man, he learns the art of stillness. He learns the value of walking away without explanation. He learns that some battles aren't meant to be won with words, but with quiet strength. Today, you're about to discover the kind of silence that changes everything. The silence that makes people realize your worth only after you've stopped trying to prove it. The silence that lasts forever, because it comes from a man who finally chose himself. There comes a moment in every man's life where he realizes something important. Not about her, but about himself. It happens quietly, not in anger, not in chaos, not in argument or loud goodbye. It happens in silence. The kind of silence that isn't forced, but born from clarity. The kind of silence that doesn't scream, but echoes. She didn't expect you to reach that moment. She didn't expect you to walk away from the emotional tug-of-war. She didn't expect you to evolve past her expectations of you, because in her mind, you were always going to be there. You were the comfort, the stability, the familiarity, the man who always returned. No matter how much he was taken for granted, she believed your love was unconditional to the point of self-abandonment. She believed your heart was a door she could walk in and out of any time. She believed you would chase, you would explain, you would react. But then something changed, not all at once, slowly, silently, like a sunrise. She didn't notice happening until the sky was already bright. You stopped arguing, you stopped proving, you stopped defending your worth to someone who had forgotten how valuable you were. Because there comes a point where a man sees the truth. People don't change because you talk. They don't change because you beg. They don't change because you suffer in front of them. They change because they feel the absence of what they once took for granted. And that is where your silence began. Not as a weapon, not as manipulation, not as a tantrum, but as peace. That the peace of a man who finally understands his value. When a man reaches that stage, there is no dramatic announcement. No, I'm leaving. No final message. No closing statement. Just distance. Just calm. Just space. Because real strength doesn't need to be proved. It is felt. She didn't expect the silence to last. At first, she thought you were just upset. She assumed you were waiting for her to reach out. She assumed she still had you. She thought time was on her side, so she continued with her life, confident, unmoved, untouched, until one day, something happens. It's subtle. Maybe she hears your name and feels something. Maybe she sees a photo of you and there is no message waiting from you. Maybe she realizes she hasn't seen you check on her. Maybe someone else mentions your glow, your improvement, your calmness. And for the first time, she wonders, is he really gone? This is where the silence shifts, because silence is not just the absence of words. Silence is a mirror, and she starts seeing herself clearly, without excuses, without illusions, without ego protecting her. She starts remembering how you were there, how you listened, how you cared, how you tried, how you showed up, how you gave effort that most people never give. She remembers your presence, your consistency, your sincerity, your warmth, your loyalty. The very things she once found ordinary now look rare. The same man she thought she could replace suddenly looks like the kind of man you don't meet twice in life. That realization does not come loudly. It comes slowly, painfully. She scrolls through your old messages. She revisits old photos. She replays old moments. She hears your voice in her memory. This is the price of taking a good man for granted. The regret doesn't hit when he is hurting. The regret hits when he no longer is, because now, you're not waiting anymore. You're not checking your phone. You're not replaying conversations. You're not imagining how to fix things. Your silence has matured into self-respect. You finally learned how to treat yourself the way you treated others. You stopped trying to pour into people who only took. You stopped chasing validation from someone who never knew how to value what was already in front of them. You didn't become cold. You didn't become bitter. You didn't become hard. You simply became unavailable. Unavailable to disrespect. Unavailable to inconsistency. Unavailable to emotional games. Unavailable to being taken for granted. Your silence is not empty. Your silence is full of meaning, full of healing, full of growth, full of clarity, and she feels it now, because silence is not nothing. Silence is a message, and your message is simple. I won't lose myself trying to keep someone who was never afraid to lose me. There is a version of you she expected to return, the version that needed her, the version that waited, the version that tolerated, the version that accepted emotional crumbs. She never expected that losing you wouldn't look like a breakup, but like a calm disappearance. No words, no announcement, no revenge, just gone. And that is what makes it unforgettable. Because anyone can leave in anger, anyone can walk away while shouting, anyone can slam a door, but walking away quietly, walking away with dignity, walking away with peace, that's different. That's what haunts people. Your silence is now the echo in her mind, the unanswered question, the unfinished chapter, the empty space where your presence used to live. She will think about you on nights she doesn't want to. She will remember you during moments she can't control. She will feel your absence at times she cannot escape, not because she didn't care, but because she realized too late that you cared correctly. You didn't lose her, you found yourself, and that is the beginning of a man's power. Not power over others, power over himself, the power to walk away, the power to choose peace, the power to not explain, the power to not chase, the power to know your worth without needing someone else to confirm it. This is the kind of silence that changes a man's life, the silence of understanding. You were the blessing, you were the rare one, you were the one who genuinely loved, and sometimes the most powerful thing you can say is absolutely nothing. This silence is permanent, because your growth is permanent, your awareness is permanent, your self-respect is permanent, your evolution is permanent. She didn't expect you to become this version of yourself, the man who no longer returns to the places where he lost his peace. But here you are, silent.com, stronger, wiser, unreachable, not because you closed your heart, but because you finally protected it. Outro. So now, look at where you stand. You didn't beg, you didn't break, you didn't lose yourself. You simply walked away with dignity, not to teach her a lesson, but to teach yourself that your heart has value. Now your silence speaks for you, and those who once overlooked you will spend their nights remembering you, because the most unforgettable men are not the loud ones, not the angry ones, not the ones trying to prove their worth. The most unforgettable men are the ones who rise in silence. So keep your peace, protect your soul, stand firm in who you've become, and never apologize for choosing yourself. This is your era of self. This is your era of quiet power. This is the silence she never expected. So now, take a moment to reflect. You didn't beg, you didn't break, you didn't lower your value for anyone else's comfort. You simply walked away, not in anger, not in spite, but with calm, with dignity, with self-respect. And now, your silence is louder than any argument ever could have been. It speaks to those who once overlooked you. It echoes in their minds when they least expect it. It leaves them remembering what they lost, while you continue growing, thriving, and evolving. The most unforgettable men are not the loud, the angry, or the desperate. They are the ones who rise above. They are the ones who build their lives in quiet power. They are the ones who choose themselves, first and always. So, protect your peace, guard your heart, stand firm in the man you've become, because this is the silence she never expected, and this is your era of true strength.